I'm Mike from Become a Better Guitar Player, and today I'm going to share with you my 5 tips for getting better at lead guitar. So let's get started with the lesson. My tip number 5. When you learn a scale, you typically learn it up and down the strings. A way to get faster at it is to learn that scale up and down the neck on one string, on each string. It helps you move up the neck and still stay and play the scale. My fourth tip is to slide up when you're doing that. If you just play like this, it sounds very robotic. But if you can slide up, sliding up and sliding down on the notes produces a smoother, fluent sound, and you get more range. You go from way up high to really low without making it sound like you're moving your hand much. My third tip is to hammer on and pull off. A hammer on is when you hammer on the string with your finger. And a pull off is when you pull it off. My fourth trick is to bend. And you'll hear this a lot when you listen to people like Stevie Ray Vaughan or Jimi Hendrix. To do that, you do just that, you bend the string. You can use any finger. It's a little harder to do it with your little finger. It can be done though. Most people bend with these 3 fingers. Like any of these techniques, you can go up and down the scale on the neck and play them. My number 1 tip that I think helped me the most when I started trying to improvise solos, especially in blues music, was to slow down. I was always trying to play too fast and go through too many notes, too much movement, too many different positions. And I think what helped my soloing out for improvising the most was slowing down and thinking about things. You can even take your hand off the neck for every other chord progression. You can do a by slowing down, you're thinking about things a little better and taking your time, and it just it helps the song to breathe. So that is probably one of my best tips, is to slow down. So I hope this helps you out. If it does, like and subscribe to our channel. It's completely free and it helps us out a lot. So thank you and have a good day.